Hello and welcome to Why DIY. Do you love adding barbecue sauce to your meals? Then why opting for store-bought sauces when you can prepare a delicious barbecue sauce at home with ingredients that you can easily find in your pantry and in less than 5 minutes? Yes, you heard it right. So today we will prepare barbecue sauce at home. But before I proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. And now, let's do this sauce together. Join me in this video. I am Rafa from Why DIY.
In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon red or white vinegar, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, and 3 tablespoons ketchup. Mix well all ingredients until they are well combined. Next, add the seasonings. You will need 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 teaspoon dry mustard. Continue mixing until you reach the right consistency.
As I promised you, barbecue sauce is done in no time. Now you can enjoy your meal with a healthier version, or let's say preservatives-free barbecue sauce. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you online!